Looking for the best random orbital sander from Makita? Stick around because today we're ranking 5 top models from weakest to best, so you can find the perfect tool for your next project. Let's kick things off with the Makita BO5030K, which lands at the bottom of our ranking. Now, don't get me wrong, this is still a solid little sander with Makita's usual high build quality. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and delivers smooth results. But compared to the rest of the lineup, it just feels a bit behind the times. This model has a 3-amp motor running at a fixed speed of 12,000 OPM. It's simple and effective for light sanding jobs. The rubberized grip keeps vibration low, and the dust collection bag is decently effective for smaller tasks. It's a great entry-level tool if you don't need a ton of bells and whistles. However, the lack of variable speed really limits its versatility. You won't be able to dial back the power for delicate surfaces. Plus, the fixed cord and somewhat clunky dust bag can be a little annoying in day-to-day use, especially if you compare it to the newer models we'll look at next. If you're after an affordable, no-fuss sander for light-duty projects, this one will get the job done. But if you want more flexibility and better dust control, keep watching, the options only get better from here. And don't forget, you'll find links to all the sanders from this review at the best prices right below in the video description. Next up is the cordless DBO180Z. This is Makita's battery-powered option, great if you need portability and don't want to mess with cords. It gives you 3 speed settings, so already that's a step up in flexibility from the BO5030K we just looked at. For light to medium sanding jobs, this little guy shines. The compact design and great balance make it super comfortable. And you can swap in any standard 18V LXT battery you've got lying around. Runtime is pretty good too, about 20 minutes on high speed or 40 minutes on low. The dust bag works okay and there's a port for hooking up a vacuum. That said, the battery adds some weight, and this model isn't quite as powerful or aggressive as the top corded sanders. It's not the best choice if you're doing heavy stock removal, and like most cordless tools, you'll need to manage charging if you plan to work for long stretches. This is a great choice for folks who want freedom of movement, perfect for quick touch-ups or working on the go. And hey, if you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tool reviews. Moving into the middle of the pack, we've got the larger Makita BO6030. This one is a 6-inch sander, so it's more powerful and covers more surface area with each pass. Great for bigger projects or working on wide boards. It features a 2.7-amp motor with variable speed, so you can fine-tune your work depending on the surface. Vibration is impressively low for a sander this size, and the grip is super comfortable. There's also a detachable front handle that really helps in tight spots. Now, here's where it falls a little short. The dust collection isn't as strong as it could be, and there's no direct vacuum port, which could make cleanup more of a chore. It's also a bit heavy compared to the 5-inch models, so it's not ideal for overhead or vertical work. If you're after a solid 6-inch sander for furniture, doors, or large surfaces, and you don't mind a little extra weight, this one is definitely worth a look. But for all-around use and versatility, the top models still have an edge. Coming in strong near the top is the BO5041K. Now we're talking. This is one of the best balanced sanders in Makita's lineup. It's got a 3-amp motor, variable speed control, and a comfortable ergonomic grip, and the kit version adds a nice case and accessories to round out the package. Compared to the earlier models, this one stands out for its great dust control, adjustable front handle, and more refined overall feel. Whether you're working on delicate finishes or going for faster material removal, the variable speed lets you dial in exactly what you need. It's light enough for extended use, but still powerful enough for serious sanding. Drawbacks? Not many, honestly. The dust port could be a little larger for better vacuum hookups, and like any corded tool, you're limited by the length of your cord. But overall, this is an excellent all-purpose option for anyone from hobbyists to pros. If you want a solid, flexible sander that works great out of the box, this is a fantastic pick. But if you want to know which model truly takes the crown, stay tuned, we've saved the best for last. And finally, our number 1 pick, the Makita BO5041. This is the top performer in today's lineup. It takes everything great about the BO5041K and delivers it in a lighter, more streamlined package, perfect for both pros and serious DIYers. It's got the same powerful 3-amp motor and variable speed control, but the real highlight is the combination of comfort, control, and build quality. The adjustable handle, low vibration, and excellent dust control make it a pleasure to use for long sessions. The build is rugged and built to last. This is a tool that can take a beating and keep on performing. There aren't many downsides here. Like all corded tools, you've got to manage the cord, and the dust port could still be larger. But if you want the best all-rounder, one that can handle furniture, cabinetry, doors, and more, this is absolutely the one to get. And there you have it. Makita's top random orbital sanders rank from weakest to best. If you want to check out today's top picks for yourself, you'll find links to the best deals right below this video in the description. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. There's lots more great content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and happy sanding!